Mae penderfynu beth i wneud ar ôl gadael ysgol yn gallu fod yn anodd. Gall fod hyd yn oed yn anoddach pan ydych chi'n hŷn ac yn trio gweithio allan beth i wneud mewn bywyd. Ond peidiwch o phoeni, mae ardal fwyaf sgiliau Cymru yma i'ch helpu wneud y dewis cywir. Ond beth sy'n mor arbennig am hyfforddi?
Well, the great thing about training is that it can get you into a job. So, you learn a job, you're at college, a couple of years perhaps, you get some nice qualifications, so employers can then look at you, you're trained for the job, they can take you on.
Training is very important. We see people from a variety of backgrounds. Obviously, if you've got qualifications and training and skills, you're able to get jobs and maybe find work suitable to you and your skills. So I would say it's important to have some sort of training.
Wel, mae'n bwysig iawn bod y myfyrwyr yn cael yr hyfforddiant cywir I beth gyda nhw eisiau wneud. Mae yna gymaint o bobl yn edrych am swyddi dyddiau yma a mae'n bwysig iawn bod nhw'n wneud y peth iawn iddyn nhw.
It's giving people an extra lead in terms of, very competitive job market out there. So, more qualifications you have, the better place you're going to be when entering into the jobs market.
You may be struggling to decide what you want to do after school, so who can help you decide?
We're the biggest independent hairdressing provider in Wales. The industry, I think, this year has struggled to a certain extent, but it is to personal development and to professionalise the industry. With all our learners ISA training, we're the only company that state registers our level 3 learners, which basically is a licence to be a professional hairdresser. So I think it's recognition for hairdressing as a profession.
Well, the best place to get guidance is the college that you're going to go to. So many colleges nowadays have websites, or in our case you can phone and get directly to a lecturer and speak to them and come and visit the college that you want to go to.
For work-related qualifications, so you can do anything from hairdressing to plumbing to sales to customer service to electricians.
Careers advisors are on hand in every school and college in Wales, so for young people you can get to your careers advisor that way. We've also got around 80 careers centres across Wales, so you're welcome to pop in to any of those in your high street. We've got a website, careerswales.com, so that's another great way of accessing our services 24/7.
Wel, unrhyw berson yn y coleg, os ys rwy'n licio ffonio fyny a gofyn mae gennym ni ystod eang o gyrsiau, a wedyn unrhyw un felly'n helpu.
Our designated Learn Direct centres all across Wales, we have 125 centres, can give designated learning advice of what skills and qualifications that you can start gaining today.
And if somebody's looking to reskill or upskill, they can visit their local further education institute, or if they want to go along to Careers Wales, they're always a very good source of advice. There are so many skills available that you just need to go along, meet up perhaps in the library of the FE College as well, and all the information is there.
Do your research and don't let schools and things dictate what path. So university isn't always the best place to go. Look around for other courses that do what you want to do.
We're here at Skills Cymru 2010 to find out information for those of you who have not been able to make it to this fantastic event. But people all over Wales have been sending in their questions for us to answer. Here's one now.
Helo, fe enw yw Christina Ryan, rydw i'n mynd I Coleg Powys ac allwch chi dweud wrthai sut I fod yn gwell gweithio.
Well, if you wanted to become a hairdresser, you can take 2 different routes. You can either attend college full-time, where you can go on from MBQ level 1 to 2, then up to level 3, or you can actually apply to be a day release apprentice, where you get employment and you come to college 1 day a week.
And here's another question.
Hello, my name's Bronwyn Davis. I study at Coleg Powys doing health and social. Can you tell me how to be a psychologist, please?
As you start towards your A-level studies, I'd always recommend that you consider maths and biology, because those are 2 key subjects which would really underpin your psychology degree.
Hello, my name is Courtney Williams. I'm studying at Coleg Powys, studying health and social. Can you tell me how to become a midwife?
It's very difficult to get into midwifery. Lots and lots of people want to do it. So the entry requirements at our university are 2 A's and a B at A-level. One of those needs to be a science. Something like biology is really, really good. When you start your course, it's a 3-year course, which is half practice and half theory. So half of the time is spent in different placements, always working with pregnant women. You may be working in an antenatal ward, postnatal ward, labour ward, out in the community with community midwives. And by the time you've done your 3 years, you are fully qualified and well able to practice as a midwife.
What are the benefits of getting trained or gaining a degree before getting a job straight from school?
Really, it's the hands-on experience that they can get. So you can learn a little bit about the theory and quite a lot about the hands-on and what it's really like to work in that industry by doing some of those activities yourself.
It's really important to train. It can mean you get higher rates of pay eventually. Important to keep your skills base up so that you're employable for the future.
The benefits of training in today's job markets are vital. If you're up against somebody who's got IT qualifications, got degrees, then obviously you're going to be at a disadvantage if you can't compete with them on a level playing field.
Bwysig bod pawb yn cael yr hyfforddiant cywir mwyn I pawb gael wneud be maen nhw eisiau wneud a dewis y gyrfa cywir iddyn nhw.
You're practicing and you're learning what that job will be. So, you know, you can come to college, you can make mistakes, you can learn and, you know, get qualifications. Employers can then see, you know, that's great, this person's got these set of skills, this set of knowledge, ideal for our job, let's employ them.
Os ych chi eisiau gwybod mwy, lle dylech chi fynd?
www.sgiliaucymru.co.uk